Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on simple number sentences. This topic is one of the most important topics in the study of mathematics. As you progress through your schooling, you will experience it almost daily in different forms, and it will assume different names. To be very good at this topic, it would help if you knew your times tables really well. Also, you need to be able to add and subtract simple numbers quickly. For each of the following examples, find the unknown symbol or letter. So for example 1, the square plus 2 equals 5. So what is the value of the square so that the square plus 2 equals 5? I think we can see straight away that 3 plus 2 equals 5, so the square is 3. Example 2, the star take away 4 equals 2. What is the value of the star so that the star minus 4 equals 2? So we have something, or which is the star, take away 4 equals 2. I think it's easy to see that if the star was 6, we have 6 take away 4 equals 2, so the star equals 6. Example 3. 5 multiplied by the arrow equals 20. What is the value of the arrow so that when it is multiplied by 5, the result is 20? Now, if you know your 5 times tables well, 5 times 4 equals 20. So the arrow equals 4. Example 4. The heart divided by 3 equals 7. What is the value of the heart so that when it is divided by 3, the result is 7? So heart divided by 3 equals 7. Now this is connected to the times tables, and the quick way to check it is, or to get the answer is, if you know this way of doing it, and you will soon, 3 sevens are 21. So 21 divided by 3 gives you 7. So the heart is 21. And how you check it? 3 times 7 gives you 21. Example 5. 7 plus the smiley face equals 11. What is the value of the smiley face so that when it is added to 7, the result is 11? So if you have 7 lollies plus how many other lollies to give you 11? The answer must be 4. Example 6. 9 take away the cross equals 8. What is the value of the cross so that when it is subtracted from 9, the result is 8? So 9 minus what gives you 8? 9 minus 1 gives you 8. So the cross is 1. Example 7. The arrow multiplied by 4 equals 28. What is the value of the arrow so that when it is multiplied by 4, the result is 28? So if you know your tables well, 4 times what gives you 28? 4 sevens are 28, so the arrow is 7. Example 8. 40 divided by the heart gives you 20. What is the value of the heart so that when 40 is divided by it, the result is 20? So what number, when you divide it into 40, you get an answer of 20? Well, the other way of checking it is 40 divided by 20 gives you 2. Let's check if the heart equals 2 works. 40 divided by 2 is 20. 2 divided into 40 is 20. So the heart is 2. Example 9. We have the smiley face squared gives you 64. What is the value of the smiley face so that when it is squared the result is 64? Again, your tables will help you here. Smiley face is 8 because 8 squared is 64. And finally, example 10. What number when you cube it gives you 8? Now cube means you multiply the number by itself 3 times. So the cross must be 2 because 2 cubed is 8, or 2 times 2 times 2 gives you 8. So you can see how the times tables is very helpful.